back to my channel. Way too much today, guys. Once again, hopefully you guys are doing well. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please go and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming video. So today's video is going to be very interesting, very important. Today we'll talk regarding the ROR, collision regulation, call rate, international regulation for collision prevention at sea, whatever you can say, call rate of 1972. So lot of names are there. Okay, one thing in community post, most of the people wanted the radar plotting classes, so I will do that. Maybe 3-4 classes from very basic to the advanced. There is a collision regulation obviously in the radar plotting, so from basic to advanced we will do that. But maybe this week I will try to post 1 or 2 video, maybe next week another. Okay, so we'll do that, no problem. TRS also will cover, Annex 1 also will cover, no problem. But today video will be like best ROR books. I think 16, right? Let me check. Yeah, 16 books I have noted, or actually I have personally read those 16 books. Obviously not full, but I have seen that book, I have read those books, and obviously I'll tell you all those books, page numbers, means how many pages are there, price, and all the links. You can buy all those books. Please don't download PDF, because the author who writes the book, he deserves something. No, this is not the money actually. This is not talking about money. He deserves to get some respect at least. So always, this is the future. If you are going to be at sea, then maybe next 30 years also you require that book. So please try to buy those books, right? Hard copy. So all the authenticate link, Starling Book House link, Amazon link, all the links will be there. You go and buy. I'll tell you the price, everything, and which book I prefer, which all books, in which means the advantages, pros and cons. Means some books explanation is good, some books maybe situations are there. So I'll discuss. Video will be long, very long today. Maybe 20 minutes, I don't know. But if you want to know something, if you want to learn something from this video, please stay tuned till last. That is my request. Okay, so we'll start proceeding 1 to 16. Again, every book name, everything will be linked in the description box. Okay, so one farm divider, then we will jump to the main topic. That if you want to get study material for your synergy exams or your ETO, GM, whatever exams, the CBT test for any company, everything, that link will be also in the description box. You go and check those out. Okay, so now let's start. Okay, I have that page with me. First book I have, and all the covers you'll find, book covers you'll find on the screen for easy determination. Okay, so first book is Manual of the Rule of the Road. Okay, that is the name of the book, written by Captain S.K. Puri, one of the great author I have seen. S.K. Puri wrote Chart Work. Okay, that is also a great book. So the link is there. Okay, and another thing, there is price is 405 rupees, is 405 rupees, and there will be 251 pages for beginners. Okay, for beginners, I think this book is the best book. Explanation is okay, kind of, not that much great. But if you first time learner, like if you're in your BC first year or DNS first semester, then this book is absolutely for you. In the later part, you will get your ROR cards, and some ROR cards, not all. Basic fundamental ROR cards will be there. Then your STCW, those watch keeping requirements, all those things are there. Okay, so you can go for that book, no problem, good book. And if you want only rule, this is basically carry on board. That is our Colorado Convention and International Regulation for Preventing Collision at Sea, 1972. This is by IMO. Price is 1071 rupees, 50 pages book. Okay, I don't recommend this book because this book only consists of rule, nothing else. See, 50 pages only, no explanation, nothing, only rules. So this book we carry on board for your information. Now the third book, and one of my very close to heart book, very favorite book, that is Mariner's Guide to Preventing Collision. That is by the Captain Yashwant Chhabra, very respected. I have talked to him maybe 3-4 times in LinkedIn. So very dear captain, and the price is 539 rupees as of now, from the Sterling Book House, and you can call them also, or you can get the link from the description. You can go and buy. 201 pages. So the book I have all with me. So that book, sorry, just one mistake I've done. Not 201 pages, just 351 pages. Okay, and the price is 539. Sorry. So that is for the Yashwant Chabra. So what you get, the best explanation you will ever get in our book, no doubt that is Yashwant Chabra book. Every aspect of our, every single aspect, from meaning like exonerate. What is the meaning of exonerate? They like that. What is the meaning of ample time? I know maybe the guys who are in third year, maybe they know those things, but think about the first year, or maybe a lot of people don't know this thing. Exonerate, construing, complying, all those meanings are there, okay, in Yashwant Chabra. The thick book, long book, but lot of knowledge, situation, narrow channel, everything is there. Then the fourth one, there is I Am a Rule of the Road, Vandagar publication. You'll get a CD with that. So that is price is 405 rupees, and pages is 201 pages. A colorful book, illustration is there. Illustration means pictures are there, like crossing situations pictures you get. Pages are very good quality, 100 GSM paper, nice paper. You will feel that book, right? Sometimes you require a feel to read those books. So you'll find a good book, very good book. Explanations are good, and one good thing you'll find in this book, I have never seen in another books. Suppose one rule is there, one para is, suppose you get 17C, suppose. So that rule is there, no? Then black color. In blue color, you will get the explanation for the same, that paragraph only. Other book you will find the explanation, but later pages. That's the best thing for quick reference. Now another book that is also my favorite. That is the Guide to Collision Avoidance Rules, 7th edition now. A.N. Cockcroft, one of the finest book. But this is little advanced book. Okay, if your ROR concept is okay, or maybe more than okay, good, then you might go for this book. Okay, a lot of explanation is there. What is reciprocal? What is near reciprocal? How do you determine what is the near reciprocal? Those things, concepts. Many concepts are there. Diagrams are there. Then a lot of stories are there mainly. You'll get a lot of ships. Some incidents, accidents. You'll feel like that you are reading a story book. You'll feel when you read this Cockcroft book, you'll feel that. So page is like 470 to 472 rupees the price. Page is 200 pages. Okay. So this book is good. Now sixth is Mariner's Rule of the Road. That is by Captain Errol Fernandez. 168 rupees, 203 pages. Captain Errol Fernandez, very respected captain. Lot of books are there. The famous cargo book. Basic one is there. Advanced another book is there by Errol Fernandez. I think one bridge equipment book is there like Errol Fernandez. Yes, one bridge equipment book also is there. So this book is okay book, good book. Rules are there, simple explanation are there. That's it. So you can go for it, but okay. Now another book very close to me. You will feel a vintage kind of feelings you get from this book. That is, this is not a rule book. For your information, this is basically light shape and sound signals. So international light shapes and sound signal. I have that book personally hardback, DA mode. Okay. Now price has been reduced. That is 540 rupees, and pages is 143 pages. When I brought this book, it was around like 1200 or 1300. Like I don't remember. That time I brought that book, hardcover, terrific quality, full stitches and pages. Page will get a bond paper. Okay, bond paper, 100 GSM bond paper. Like you feel you're reading some legal document or something like that. Fully colored. All the things are there. Annexure. If you want to understand the annexure, although I'll make a video regarding annexure 1, most difficult annexure. If you read the annexure from this book, no, it will be dead easy for you, dead easy, because that kind of book it is. Fully illustrated. After every paragraph, you get the illustration, the diagram, diagrammatic explanation. Even the Annex 4, they have drawn the diagram. Like one barrel, you are watching, observing a smoke from the barrel. So there is a picture. You'll get a idea. What is dye marker? You'll get some idea from those book. Good book, very nice book. And you'll feel you are reading something. Okay, but you will record another book for that to read that book, because all the rules, all the paragraph not mentioned. Special paragraphs, special things are mentioned. So you need another book for the supplement to read this book. Okay, not for rule, for saves light and the sound signal. That is the best for it. Okay. Now, expensive book, but very good book, because you will. I can bet on it that you will not get any situation like RO situation in any other book, but you will get RO situation in this book. That is practical guide to the rules of the road for OW, chief mate, and master. Okay, that is by the Farhan Said. Farhan Said, I want to tell you something regarding Farhan Said. Farhan Said wrote another book, Semester Examiner. That is also very famous book. I think you have know that the Semester Examiner. Very nice book. Okay. So this book you get from the Amazon. Link is in the description. Three formats: paperback, price is 2,665. Then hardback, 11,309 rupees. Then Kindle edition, 2,729 rupees. And pages is 168 pages. Colored book, fully colored book. Rules are there, explanation are there like all other books, but most important, you get the situation, you get a questionnaire, okay, Q&A. Suppose in narrow channel that happened, what will be your action? Like these things are there. So that makes the book different, and obviously too expensive also, right? So now there is another one of my favorite book, Colrex As I Understand, third edition by Captain Jairaj Nakwa. Wow, tremendous book. Just once in a lifetime, if you are a married student or if you are a married, go through this book. It's a tremendous book. It's how it's understanding, complete understanding. The price is 449 or 450 whatever. 182 pages. Absolutely brilliant book. This has been written by the Captain Jairaj Nakwa. Speechless. I'm speechless with this book because tremendously wrote that. Tremendously. So go for it, okay? Another nice book and comic type of book, but very nice book. That is the Colrec Guide 6th edition by KV Dokam, okay? Link is there. The price is 3359. Yes, got it right. 3,359 rupees. Pages is 192. So why like that? Why so much of price? Pages quality is tremendously good. It is like a glossy type of paper. Thick one. Completely illustrated book, okay? In every section, every rule, you'll get the illustration. Like you'll feel you are reading a comic book. So that is why the price is more in the higher side basically. Now another thing very essential, this is not a book, not a guide, this is a ROR card, okay? If you want to understand the light, you have to go to the ROR card. ROR card 5th edition by Vandergaard. So price is 600 rupees. You can go and you can buy from the Stalin Book House. Links are in the description. So what you'll get cards, 254 your night cards and maybe 50 or something your day cards. Day cards is like 30 I think, 30 yeah. And 38 I think your boys card. I love boys. So more or less 320 cards you will get. When in my time it was like a paper box, cardboard type. It's gone, it's rusted, it whatever you can say. Now you will get a good quality plastic box from last 2 or 3 years. It's from this 5th edition only. You get the plastic box. So the paper quality, what I don't like is that the paper quality. The sheet is not good. Okay, sometimes mistakes are also there. If you wash those things proper in the cards, you'll find mistake. So that is the thing I want improvement over here. Now the 12th book, That is for the test. The book name is Test Yourself on the Rule of the Road by B. Mosintal. Okay, so page is 46 page, price is on the higher side, 962 rupees. Complete test. If you are from this book, you will come to know that if your ROR is such a good, means you are good in ROR or not, or you feel you are good but you are actually not good. So that is the thing. Good book. Now another book, most expensive, Brown Rule of the Road Manual, the Rule of the Road at Sea. Okay, by the H. Brown. You have Brown's Nautical Almanac, very famous. So Brown is like what kind of man? So the price is the link is there. You have to import this book from the MD Nautical. $104 is the price. 7,732 in Indian price by today. 248 pages are there. Good book, nice book. Explanation is good. After Captain Chabra, I will feel this book explanation is good. Okay. Now another famous, Reads Light Shapes and Boys Handbook paperback. Nice, go for it. Surely go for it. It's a glossy kind of paper. Paper quality is good. Okay. So Amazon link is there. Paperback two variants. Yeah. Paperback 960 rupees and Kindle is 660 rupees. Okay. So Kindle, you will, I think, don't go for Kindle because Kindle will show the black and white. I have the Kindle and I have that version, Kindle version in my Kindle also, but you will not feel that. Okay, first I bought Kindle only, then I go for the paperback. So don't go for the Kindle because you will feel that black and white thing. That this book is color book. Obviously, boys are there, boys system is there. So go for it. Nice, no problem. Now, two books. Advanced book, but good books. Last two. 15. Pocket Book of International Regulation for Preventing Collision at Sea. A Seaman's Guide. Okay. By the Morgan Technical Book Limited. Amazon link is there. 414 rupees is the price. 64 pages. Small book. Rules are there. Only rules. Okay. If you don't want to go for the IMO one, you can go for that. Only rules, nothing else. Now another nice book. Seaman's Guide to Rules of the Road paperback. J.W. Ford, the author name. Expensive book, 1,371 rupees and 482 pages. This book explanation I can give. Okay, third explanation. If you rank me as a only explanation, then third. And please keep aside the Captain Jairus and Aqua's book. That is different class. That is good book. That is not explanation. That is what I understand. Different thing. Those things are different. Okay. So I think 16 books I have told you. 16 study management. One is the card. So I think I've understood that video. If you like, please give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. And ROR is like a Bible for a seeker. So do not mess with ROR. Read ROR properly. Understand ROR. First read, then understand. Okay. So I will not elongate this video more already. It's a huge video already. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Signing off for the day.